Greetings. My name is Ms. West. I am the chairperson for the Business Technology Department at Albany Technical College. Today's orientation will be two parts. The first part will explore how to navigate Blackboard. The second part will explain the program Handbook for the Business Technology Department. And first I'm going to put you on shared mode so you can see Blackboard. Here in this platform, this is a particular course that was taught in the past, but I just wanted to make sure you know that these are your navigations, your home page. You start here, your course expectations, and you would need to read your course expectations of what is required for this course, and the textbook requirement, software requirements, the course overview, the competencies, and the mission statement for Albany Tech, and the ADA statement for those of you who may need some assistance or have special needs to address with the special needs coordinator. Ms. Watts is the person you need to contact, and there's the contact information for the special needs coordinator. And that explains the course expectations for this particular course. Then you will have Galileo. This is a embedded web page for you all that if you're working on your work ethics assignments or your research papers, you will go here and navigate and research and go through the databases A through Z. Click on all databases and choose academic search complete so that you can search for your articles or your journals and click search. And you want to make sure that you get the journals that are academic and that are within the 5-year time frame. If it's over 5 years, it's pretty much irrelevant. We want materials or resources that are within the 5-year time frame. And then you would actually put the year in and the year that you want it to end for the time frame here. And you want to make sure that you select journals or periodicals or books or whatever you're interested in. And then you would search for your article. Hopefully that helps you with the Galileo. Next, you will have tutor.com. Tutor.com is a platform that is embedded here, and you can go in and click on your topic, and since you're a business major, you will click on business, and then you will click on the name of your course, and this particular platform is the BUSN 1400. And you would click, I want a tutor with voice chat capabilities, and then you would type in your question and connect with your tutorial representative. This person is available, or whoever is working in the tutor.com, those representatives, they are available 24 hours and 7 days a week. Please utilize tutor.com, which is on Blackboard right below your instructor or your discussions. Then you have your email platform where you can go and email your instructor, and you can view your grades by clicking My Grades. Please take advantage of utilizing the navigation buttons and go to Start Here so that you can download or open up your welcome letter, your syllabus, and your projected schedule. To expedite time, I'm just going to open up the syllabus, and you would click this link for open, and then you can view print out your syllabus and then read it carefully so that you'll know what the requirements are for this course. We definitely want you to pay attention to the course, online course attendance procedure so that you can be successful in the course. Read that and your quality of student work, evaluations, as well as your midterm grades. You want to be familiar with when the dates for your midterm grades, and you must have or maintain a 70 to pass. Work ethics. This is something that you need to make sure you are having academic integrity. If you have disabilities, as stated in the ADA statement, you will contact Ms. Regina Watts. A career portfolio is a requirement for all programs, and this is to be completed during the entire process of you completing your courses within the program. You want to make sure you maintain and retain all of your documents so you can put them in your career portfolio. And that will be part of the graduation application process. Remediation and enrichment, This is where you get your tutorial assistance, and that's at tutor.com, or you can come and receive assistance from our lab assistant as well. Technical education guarantee. We guarantee our students in the business technology department that they will be able to utilize their skills and have the tools to be able to be an asset on the job for the employer. So we want you to know that we have a guarantee statement here that once you graduate, within 2 years after graduation, you can utilize your skills and be successful in the workplace. If your employer states that you're not deficient, then we will retrain you for free as long as it's within that 2-year time frame. That's the syllabus. And next is go back to start here in the projected schedule. In the projected schedule, you need to make sure you mark your calendar for dates that your assignments are due. And to expedite time, I'm just going to scroll through so you can see that this is your projected schedule, giving you an overview of what your assignments are and what due dates you have here. And this is an old projected schedule, but in your course, you would need to look at your course schedule based on the dates for that particular semester. Go back to start here, and then now I'm going to explain the handbook, the business technology handbook. Click here. So that I can access the handbook. Here we go. Here's the handbook for the business technology department. You need to read this in its entirety. The handbook is very helpful, it's useful in keeping you on track with what you need to do to complete the program. And I just want to reiterate that this handbook, make sure I get to the place. This handbook has a table of contents where you have the welcome message, your mission and goals for this program, the academic advisement, the checklist, your admission requirements, even the contract form, the checklist, and your track forms for you to keep track of your grades. And it gives you work ethics, dress code, laboratory manual, internship, which we offer here in the program, but you have to have someone to recommend you from the business technology department to recommend you for the internship, since we are guaranteeing that you can go out and be successful in the workplace and gainfully employed. You need someone to recommend you, and the internship is offered during the last semester of your is an elective, and you have the option to take advantage of the internship if you are already working in field, and if you want to work in field, you would take the internship or register for that during your last semester of the program. And this is only elective. It's not required, but it is good to have to gain some work experience. And the internship checklist is on page 31. We even offer Microsoft certification exams so that you can become Microsoft certified. And I'm pleased to say that we've had successful passing rates with the Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Access. And once students come and take advantage of the opportunity of free opportunity of this Microsoft certification exam and the free preparation materials, you can prepare yourself to become certified. The career portfolio checklist, that is on page 34, and then you have the graduation graduation application form that's available on page 36. So you want to make sure you go and review this, and remember that the program handbook allows you who your advisor is. Ms. Johnson, Emma Johnson, is the Business Healthcare Technology Chairperson and Advisor, and I am Ms. West. I am the Business Technology Chairperson and Advisor. So you have two chairpersons in this particular program. Here's the mission statement. Here we have the goals, and then you have your role as an advisee. You need to read that in its entirety. To expedite time, I'm going to go through and scroll through. You have a checklist. Your first term, you need to make sure you have ensure your FAFSA has been met and completed successfully before the deadline. Right now you're going through orientation, through the program orientation, and you need to meet with your advisor at least 2 times a semester, whether it's in person, whether it's via email or over the phone or through Zoom or any type of video conferencing or telephone conferencing. You need to meet, as well as make sure you review your grades at midterm and pre-register so that you can secure your seat in the course. Make sure you do that in a timely manner, and make sure you keep track of your grades within your transcript, because your transcript will follow you to your employer. So you want to make sure your grades are there and that you're successfully meeting the requirements for the program. Then you have term 2 and term 3 and term 4 if you're in the diploma. But if you're in the degree, you have 5 terms because it takes a little longer with the associate, or 6 terms with the associate degree. These are the admission requirements so that you'll be familiar with the associate degree requirements. Once you complete the diploma, your diploma credits will transfer over to the associate degree once you take the AccuPlacer. Now, the core courses will not transfer, but the main courses will transfer over. And this is the academic advisement contract. Read that. And this is the checklist for the program handbook. And here we are with the diploma for the business specialization. Record your grades and keep track of your grades for each semester. And you only need 6 credit hours for the electives. And the same with your medical specialization. Your associate degree specialization, record your grades. Keep track of your grades. And you need 6 credit hours for the associate degree. And if you're in the business healthcare technology associate degree, same thing, record your grades. And you need 67 required grades for the business healthcare technology. And you have embedded certificates within this particular degree or diploma. You have embedded certificates that you will receive once you graduate. To expedite time, I'm going to scroll through and show you. Here we are. Get certified with the Microsoft Certification Exam. I am the proctor and the administrator. I will be able to proctor you and you can become certified. Please request a calendar and a schedule of the dates when I'm available so that we can work around your schedule. Microsoft Certification Exams, you can have access to the access codes and go to the Gmetrics website to download, and you have to use Firefox browser or Google Chrome to download and get the materials, preparation materials to access through the access codes. And then you have the portfolio form. You want to keep all of your documents available for your portfolio. Graduation application process, you're almost there. At the graduation time, you need to pay $35 right here, $35 fee, and you need to know your deadlines. For summer, it's June 15th, and for fall, it's October 15th, and spring is March 15th. Remember now, you do have late date for application processing as well, but you want to make sure you meet the deadline. And we have peer mentors here at Albany Tech. Mr. Holmes' email address and his contact number, Mr. Williams and Ms. King. These are your success coaches here for you to assist you with any needs that you may have in the online environment. And if you have any questions, again, any questions, please contact me, Ms. West, the chairperson for the Business Technology Department, and review all of the pages in its entirety so you can be successful in the online environment. And we wish you the best in accomplishing your educational goals. Thank you, Ms. West.